In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit robots.txt in rank math. The robots.txt file is a simple set of rules that tells search engine crawlers what they can and can't access on your site. Getting it right helps protect private or duplicate areas while keeping important pages discoverable. We'll walk through where to find the editor in rank math, how to open it, and how to safely save your changes. Start by opening your browser and heading to rankmath.com. This puts you in the right ecosystem and mirrors what you'll see when working with the Rank Math interface connected to your site. Once you're there, look for the Rank Math SEO area. If you're in your WordPress dashboard with Rank Math installed, you'll see a similar Rank Math SEO menu in your sidebar. That's where all the key settings live, including the robots.txt editor. Next, open General Settings. This is the hub for foundational SEO controls in Rank Math. If you don't immediately see an option related to robots.txt, don't worry. In some demos or limited previews, the editor is hidden. On a live site where you're logged in with the right permissions, you'll find the Edit Robots.txt option available here. If it's not visible, make sure you're working on a real site rather than a demo and that you have administrator access. When the Edit Robots.txt option appears, click it to open the editor. You'll see the contents of your robots.txt file, which might include lines like user agent to target crawlers, disallow or allow, directives to control access to folders, and often a sitemap line. Keep your instructions clear and minimal. For example, you might disallow a temporary staging directory or internal search results, but you typically want to allow key content folders. Avoid broad disallow rules at the root level unless you fully understand the impact, because blocking the wrong path can remove your site from search results. Make your adjustments carefully and keep a backup of your existing rules in case you need to revert. If Rank Math already manages your sitemap, leaving the sitemap line intact helps crawlers find your URLs efficiently. When you're done, click Save. Give it a moment to apply the changes. If your site uses caching, the new file should update quickly. After saving, it's a good practice to review your rules and confirm there are no typos or unintended blocks. That's all it takes. Simple, safe, and fully controlled from within Rank Math. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.